The Media library can be accessed by clicking on the Media menu item in your left-hand sidebar, then clicking Library. Here you'll see a list of all of the menu items that have been uploaded into the system. Media can include audio, video, graphic images, PDF files, and other documents. All uploaded media will be accessible from this list, including items uploaded directly from posts and pages. Once media is in the library, it can be used in any post or page on your site. Hovering your mouse over an item in the list will display a list of options, allowing you to edit, delete permanently, or view the media file. Clicking on either the name of the media file or the Edit option takes you to the Edit page for that item. Here you'll see a thumbnail version of the file, along with information such as file name, file type, and upload date. You'll also see a number of fields that you can edit, including the title, alternate text for those who can't view media, caption, and description. You can also see the location or URL of the media file, which you can use to directly access the file. You can easily copy this URL into your clipboard for use elsewhere. Click on the Update Media button to save any changes you make. Clicking on the Delete Permanently option will display a popover dialog box, confirming whether or not you'd like to permanently delete the item. Once a media file is deleted from the system, there is no way to restore it. Clicking on the View option will display the media file as a post on your website.